The LG27GL83A. What a mouthful, eh? This is definitely one of the more popular monitors of 2020. Let's open this box up and see what they include inside. The first things you see are the accessories bag, the base of the stand, and the monitor stand itself. Taking a closer look at the accessories bag, you get a power brick, a mouse cable holder, a cable management clip, an HDMI cable, a DVI cable, and some light reading material including the manual, calibration results, warranty information, and product registration. Oh, it also includes a CD. The base of the stand is wrapped in this foam packaging material, and it's pretty easy to attach to the monitor stand. On the bottom, there is a screw to tighten everything up. We'll put that aside and take a closer look at the monitor underneath. Sliding the monitor out from the foam covering, we see all 27 inches of this panel. The monitor slides onto the stand from the top and locks into place with a satisfying click. To remove, press down on the switch and lift from the bottom to slide it out. The screws for the VESA mount is also located right on the monitor itself. The mouse cable management accessory is clipped into its slot on either side of the monitor, and the cable management accessory is clipped on the back. Taking a closer look at the stand, we see that it's only able to rotate slightly counterclockwise. On the other hand, it's able to rotate a little more than 90 degrees clockwise. The stand is able to tilt in both the landscape and portrait orientations, but it's unable to swivel. Finally, the stand can also be raised and lowered. There is only one button used to control the menu options located at the bottom of the panel. The built-in settings menu comes with some typical options that you would see in a monitor. The game mode setting contains several presets for changing the brightness and contrast. The Game Adjust contains unique settings such as response time and crosshair. Picture Adjust contains fine-tuning options for typical monitor settings. Input allows you to change the source and the aspect ratio. And finally, General contains miscellaneous settings such as language, device information, and reset settings. That's it for the unboxing video of the LG27GL83A. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.